Just in on trade is this 2003 GMC Sonoma SLS crew cab short box pickup. Typically, yeah, we deal with a lot more sports cars and classics, but every once in a while, if we get a nice little later model vehicle in and someone's looking at trading it, we'll figure out a way to do the deal, especially when the truck is as clean as this. Still powered by the original 4.3 liter underneath the hood, automatic transmission. Obviously red in color. Paint on this truck's in very nice shape. Not a lot of dings and scratches. It's got a little over 120,000 miles, and you can tell by looking at it that it has been taken care of. Clean Carfax, no accidents reported. Look up and down the side. Like I said, not a bunch of dings or scratches. Parking lots, what have you. Interior in this thing is extremely nice. Take a look at this passenger seat. Dash, floor mats. You'd never guess this truck's got the miles on it, 120, that it does. Very well taken care of. You can check out the still pictures. See the underside of the truck, the engine compartment. Check out those interior pics. I've even got pictures underneath the floor mat on the driver's side to give you an idea what kind of shape it is in. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. You can also give us a call, 507-386-1726 if you'd like to inquire about this. Check out the box in it too. Bed's in nice shape because it's had a bed liner put in. The tailgate guard on the top of it, so it's not all scratched up and dinged up. And just look down the side of it, just nice, straight. Tires are decent. They got some mileage left in them. Check out this back. Show you what the back seat and everything looks like too. I mean, just floor mats are in nice shape, seats are in nice shape. Car runs and drives great. And there's the driver's floor mat. It's just seats aren't worn through or holes or ripped. Let's go ahead and start it up. Check the miles. Is it 120, 123? 679, and all that is a seatbelt light on because I'm not in it and have it latched up. So no warning indicator lights on it. Just a nice, smooth running truck. Very nicely equipped too, as you can see. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, push button 4-wheel drive, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, all the goodies that you'd expect in a late model truck. So 2003 GMC Sonoma SLS Crew Cab. A little over 120,000 miles. Feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. Check out any of the pictures, information at uniqueclassiccars.com.